Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. It's Lee from Magnetic North Adventures, and today I'm going to be back in the River Don. I'm at a cliff area. Washford Road Bridge is where I start. Hope you're all well. So, early Washford Road Bridge, and near to this site there was a Civil War skirmish 1643, and down there I have had a large cannonball before. The water is quite deep, it's very murky, but I intend to have a look at this area just here and see if I can find a ford to that island. And just a moment ago, as coming in through there, just found this, which is a crucible smelt pot lid, and that dates 1550 to 1830. So to all those that's new to the channel, I welcome you. Thank you for joining us. Various adventures. We've got mudlarking, history walks, shallow river walking, and there'll be some paranormal and also magnet fishing to come as well. The magnet fishing is going to be about a month from now, just allowing my muscles to heal completely. So also to those that's already here, you know what to do. Hit that like button when you like a video and comment, just so I can read what you put in, and it's always nice to have some feedback. So thank you very much everyone, let's get to it. Right, I had a quick search, found not a single thing. So I'm having a look at a different bit further down. So we're here, just down from Washford Road, and this is going down towards salmon pastures. The water's got orange stain in it, so there's definitely iron in there somewhere. And it is quite low at this section. I'll have a look, see what we can find. Right, so in that last location I only had a piece of scrap copper and a 1800s grinding stone wheel for knife and sickle sharpening. Not much else. Not even any bricks at the moment that's different. So I've moved down a lot further, probably 600 feet, and I'm going to do this section here. So we've got this area, again shallow. I always look for these areas of debris and wash up, because that's often where you get bits, and then that's the deep part. So basically, have a look around here, see what we can do, and then work down that way. So just looking in the water, first thing I've seen is a DVD case. Nothing inside it. So let's keep going. So just over here there's an area with lots of old grinding wheels. There's one sticking out over there, some rubbish and stuff over that way. But yeah, there's a lot of grinding wheels there. If I can get the angle, yeah, just there on the edge of the embankment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There's 20 of them just there. So I've come onto this island, picked a few bits up. We've actually magnet fished from that bridge. Stuart, he also had a cannonball and part of an artillery shell there. This area here with all the graffiti on. There is a lot of metal in that water that side. And we are here near the gripple works. So for anybody that wants a lot of metal, iron, there is brass and copper in there as well. That's a good location, and that is Norfolk Bridge, Leveson Street. So here we have little baby moorhen chicks stood on the edge of the water looking for the parents. Just there. Right, so I'm back home. This is just the stuff that's come out of that little area. Generally all scrap iron. We've got a bit of 17th century pottery shard there. Oyster shells, part of a staple diet pre-1920. And right back to the Roman times. Just bits of copper coil, wire, electrical wire. This bottle stopper, W.M. Stones, Sheffield, 1937 Cannon Brewery. Got this interesting electrical fitting. General bits of copper and brass. Some electrical plug socket there, copper wire again, and brass. Bits of iron. That's a drain cover. More wire. 1880s stoneware porter bottle top. People use these for restorations. So that's what we've got there. So the other bits we've got a Bakelite topped bottle. Could be 1930s, 1940s. Very small animal tooth. This stone here, part of a sharpening stone. Used to sharpen knives and things like that on. Some more scrap copper. Bit of a mill quern wheel, and that would date from the 14 to 1800s. We've got 1, 2 and 3 crucible smelt pot lids. Those are 1550 to 1850. Some bits of broken glass there, bottlenecks and things. That's the grinding sharpening wheel. It's gonna be 1800s. And then this piece of slimy tile. That's all come out. And a bit more copper fragments, light fittings, and a piece of stigmaria tree root. It's prehistoric, 80 to 180 million years they say, but that's what's being found. Not a great deal, but at least it's something. It's all cleaning the environment, and that's another area that I feel is clean. So now all it needs is a magnet search, and that'll be done. Right, I'm out of the water. It's getting a bit colder. It's very grey. Feels like it's going to start to rain. So I thought, no, time to go. So I didn't actually get to film much during in the water because I haven't got a chest mount. My phone is the only way that I can do the YouTube and contact people. So I didn't want to lose or damage the phone. So what I'll do is I'll show you the finds as soon as I get back home, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and until the next adventure, bye for now everyone.